Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for part 2. Now I'm going to start cleaning the gearbox. I'm going to show you a wee bit of video about it. And I got a servo. I was telling you about the servo. The servo's not good. So got that. I found this one actually, but I don't know if it's working, but I must try to see if it's working. So we're going to change the servo and that. But in a minute I'm going to show you the cleaning the gearbox. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. Welcome back. So you see me in that last video there cleaning the gearbox. So I just cleaned the pump back, but it's only a wee short video because it took me a long time to clean all that, so I didn't video at all. So I cleaned the front end, so everything's pretty good and happy, so I'm happy enough with that. The back gearbox, get that I did clean, so the back one was pretty bad because of the motor, all the dirt and grease, so all you grease in there, so that'll be good. So the next one I'm going to do is I'm going to change the servo up this here, but I must get a speed controller to check the servo is working, so catch you guys in that. Back. Now you see me fit at the servo there, so I tried the servo on the white dagger there, see it's working, it's moving nicely, left and right, it's good. So I got it in the centre there, so and that's me getting it all screwed in, looking good. Might be a charge a wee brush down, so give it a wee brush. Now the next video I'm going to build up the gearbox, so with ball bearings. Ball bearings just came in, so happy days to get that built, pumping back, and see how it goes from there. Catch you guys in a bit. Okay, welcome back. You see me just getting the front gearbox built up and all. I didn't clean the differential in it because I'm happy enough what's on there, you know, stuff a wee bit more grease in it. So, so all ball bearings on there, fully free. So leave that by. So the next one I'm going to build the rear end. So let's get it done. Back. You see me at that video there, me putting ball bearings in the gearbox, front and back. So the next video I'm going to put the gearbox on the chassis. So now you see the ball diff, I'm going to do that in another video because I'm waiting for the brand new one to come just in case, and I'm going to leave that to the end. So in a minute here I'm going to put the two gearbox on and put the shot and tires on, and I'll be neat on the four wheels. So thanks guys for that. Hey guys, welcome back. That last video there you see me fitting the gearbox, front and back, the drive shaft, centre shaft, shot tower, complete. So the next video I'm going to do is change the bearings on the hubs and see how we go from there. Catch you guys in the back. Hey guys, welcome back. You see me in that last video there, me putting bearings in the hub, drive shaft, front bumper, shot, nearly everything I done to it, So far so good guys, looking good, very happy with that. Everything's all ball bearing, looking good. Now all I had to do is think the speed controller to put on it, so I want something fast. See. So I think that's it for part 2 guys as far as I go. Now the ball depth here, I'm going to do that separate because I want to strip that down, just see, I just want to learn about the ball depth. I don't know much about it. So that is that for part 2 guys, that's as far as I go. So I hope you enjoy this part 2 video here, because I know the video was a wee bit long, but I've spent a lot of time cleaning most of the time. So, but anyway guys, thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and catch you guys in a bit.